Did you know cybercrime could cost the world $9.5 trillion in 2024 and rise to $10.5 trillion by 2025, according to firm Cybersecurity Ventures? In this video, we'll help you understand common cybersecurity threats and how to protect yourself. I'm Nick Kameny. Let's get into it. This is the framework. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common cybersecurity threats you should be aware of. Phishing is a sneaky cybersecurity threat where cybercriminals try to trick you into revealing personal information. It often looks like an email from a trusted source, such as your bank or a service you use. Always double check the sender's email address. Look closely for subtle misspellings, extra characters, or odd domain names. For example, if your bank usually emails you from this address, a phishing email might use something like this. Don't click on suspicious links. If in doubt, go directly to the website and log in to check for yourself. Malware refers to malicious software designed to harm your device. Malware can slow down your device, steal data, and cause you to lose access to your files. You might download an app that seems harmless, but it secretly installs malware that compromises your personal data. Only download software from trusted sources or official app stores. Keep your security software up to date. Avoid clicking on pop-up ads or links that seem too good to be true. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks you out of your files or device and demands payment in exchange for unlocking them. You open a file or email attachment, and suddenly your files are locked. The hacker demands a payment to release them. How to avoid it? Back up your important files regularly. Avoid clicking on links or attachments in unsolicited emails. Keep your operating system and security software updated. Let's talk about how you can protect yourself. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Regularly update your software. Back up your data. Be skeptical. Not everything you see online is what it seems. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Always double check before clicking on links or downloading attachments. So, there you have it. Some of the most common cybersecurity threats and simple ways to protect yourself. If you're interested in learning more about potential cybersecurity threats, or even considering a career in the field, there are educational programs that can help you develop skills needed in this growing industry. Hit the link and check them out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on careers, skills, and education.